Hi, I just saw this post on the Glowforge forum from a user Doppler with these incredible looking edge-lit acrylic displays. And he actually showed us how he did it in Illustrator. So what I thought I would do is work on or build this in Cuttle and see how you can do it that way. So here it is. What I basically set up is you import the artwork into this artwork layer. And what you want to do is you want to center it right there in the center, horizontally and vertically into your project. And then you go to the layout and it already has these components built out. And if you want to adjust it, for example, I have an LED base that's 70 millimeters. So 70 millimeters. I'm doing everything in millimeters, so it's just easier for me to do the math that way. The depth is 18 millimeters, and the margin is about 5 on each side. So that's that, and then I can adjust the height here that I want. This is what's going to show above the base. This part over here is just going to be down inside the light channel area. And you can adjust the spacing here of the lines. So you can create a kind of a wide line pattern or really tight engraved. So I'm just going to do the spacing this way. Now this is a symmetrical pattern. I found this SVG online just for demo purposes. We can do that. I don't have to reverse this because it's, like I said, it was symmetrical, and we can scale it this way. But Doppler said on his post that 5 inches was about the max height before you start losing a little bit of light. So that's about 120 millimeters. So I think we'll keep it at that. Let's do this. We'll do it 1%, or object to 1. And then your margin here, this is how much extra you can come out here, like 5 millimeters, that's good. And then the roundness, that's kind of the roundness of the base down here. That's about all it changes. It's just really this curvature here at the base. 10's nice. And that's it. So then you just export the SVG and you're ready to cut it. But here, let me show you how I would do another one. So I go in here and I'm just going to go in import an SVG. So I found the Superman on Wikipedia, a nice SVG. So what you have to do here in Cuttle, just hit the transform, and we're going to recenter by holding down the command key on the Mac, and I can recenter the origin here. And then when I bring that in there, it'll be perfect. And we go over here and it's all filled in. So what you want to do is to fix that, just select it here in Cuttle and go under here, and you want to make this a compound path. And now there it is. It's done. Now we can play around with the scale. So it's the scale of the object. So we can bring it down here. And now this is going to be below the height, so we need to move that up. So we can do it here with the offset. So we'll bring it off here and bring up the height there a bit, and this like that. And I could reverse it here, but I'm just going to leave it like this and just reverse it in Glowforge interface. Export that one. Boom, that's done. We can go try another one. Let's go back here. I have a few other logos that I downloaded. Swamp Thing. go over here. Again, we want to transform it. And where's the origin here? Let's move that here. Somewhere around there. And let's see where it goes. Huh. So now here I have to adjust a little bit more. Bring that up here. And make it rounder. Okay, well that's all I ran out of time.